Hey everyone, here at Prime Systems, we make home comfort simple. From the first contact to the final result, with clear communications, transparent pricing, and quality at the highest standard. We offer HVAC repairs, annual maintenance, and same-day appointments. We also handle water heaters and generators, all for your one-stop shop service appointments. We're locally owned, we're accredited with the Better Business Bureau, we're partnered with Puget Sound Energy, PUD, and Seattle City Light to get you the highest rebates and the best value. With a wide range of advanced service techniques, we make your service experience simple, smooth, and stress-free. With live GPS tracking, you'll know who's coming to your home and when for your service appointment. Quality built on trust. That's the 5-star service that you get with Prime Systems HVAC.